How have I never made this before? Big Mac wrap. It's the next video I've put up on my OnlyFans page. OnlyFans, he's got an OnlyFans page. He's mad. We know that, but I keep all my clothes on, so we're fine. How have I never made this before? Big Mac wrap. Look at it. Let's have a bite. Oh my bloody God. I never really eat on these videos because I kind of know what it's going to taste like. I don't need to. Not worse than all these TV shows. Oh, so lovely and buttery and lemony. Talking shite. They're hardly going to say it's horrible, something that they just made. But I've never made this before. And now you've just seen how I did it. But this, I have to admit, is, look at it, absolutely freaking delicious. Big Mac wrap. Now you know how to make it. Messy and gooey. I just need a pint. Freaking amazing. Trust me. Oh my God, it's so bloody good. Now you know how to make it. Check out my OnlyFans page. You'll love it.